2003 Ford Expedition. Crank no start situation. Now, after all the testing I've done, the dreaded R303 relay. Those who don't know about it, we're looking at the fuse box over here on the passenger side kick panel. That 303 relay, well, it's right there. No, not really. It's actually that one right there. And unfortunately, you have to take out all of that. Every one of them fuses, every one of these plugs, bolted there and back there. All that's got to come out. Then you gotta pop it off and solder a new one in, or you run the relay with a constant power right there behind it on a fuse. Then you run it to ground, and you get your ignition controlled power source right there. And then finally you power your fuel pump wire. That goes straight back to the fuel pump. And I know this because, of course, I did all the testing with all the goodies. Oh, yeah, speaking of which, you'll need a power probe. Well, or a makeshift power probe, homemade, because $300-400 for something I hardly ever use that I could make, such as this, send power straight to whatever electronic I want, or ground, and that cost me all but $1.50. So now that we've got the fuel pump in and the new relay in, there purrs like a kitten. Yeah. Brought to you by